A 910 emergency police dirt bike metro rail. See this funny. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I will collect some toy vehicles beside this paddy field, and today this is my collecting bucket. So wasting any more time, let's go. Wow friends, at first I see a police helicopter. See this helicopter, this is a very nice white, blue and black color combination. This nice model helicopter. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And next one, wow, next one is here a mini jeep. See, this is very nice colorful mini jeep, pink, yellow and blue color combination. This nice jeep. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And next one, oh, this one is a painted metro rail. See this funny metro rail. This is a red, black and white color combination. So I collect this one my bucket. Wow, what is this friend? You can see this is a luxurious car. This is a red, black and white color combination car. So I collect this one here. And this one, oh, this is a Feluda. See, this is a red, black and white color combination Feluda here. So I collect this one here. And next one is a dirt bike. This is a red, blue, black and blue color combination dirt bike. So I collect this one here. This one is a cartoony model car. See, this is a green, black and silver color combination cartoony model car. Yes. Oh, one more car here. This is a 910 emergency police car. This is a cheapest plastic toy but realistic model, this police car. Wow, this is a wrap jeep. This is a realistic model plastic wrap jeep. See, this is a black and red color combination. So I collect this one at my bucket here. Oh, this is a power backhoe. You can see this is a very nice yellow and black color combination realistic model power backhoe. Wow, this is a fast food delivery car here. See friend, this is a white, pink and a blue color combination, this fast food delivery car. Oh, this is a DS Tarzan car. See friend, this is a very nice paste red and blue black color combination. This car is very nice realistic model. So I also collect this one here. And this is my last toy vehicle beside this paddy field. This is a Motu Patlu sticker Sakib cover van. You can see this is a yellow, black and red color combination. So I collect this one at my bucket here. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles collect and introduced with you. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel.